Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and we've made it to week 4 of our clarity and focus journey. Over the last few weeks, you've created stillness, directed your energy, and aligned your vision with your words and your actions. Today, we're looking in something deeper. Focus faith, which is the belief that even when you can't see every detail, you're still moving in the right direction. Clarity doesn't mean you know everything. It means you trust God and that you're guided, prepared, and capable for what's next. So if you've been feeling uncertain, stuck, or like progress is slow, this moment is for you. Let's reset your focus and reignite your faith so you can keep moving forward with confidence. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. Let's lean into this together. I don't need to have all the answers to take the next step. I trust that clarity will meet me as I move. I keep my eyes on progress, not perfection. I trust that what's ahead is working for my good. I stay faithful in small steps because they lead to big doors. When things feel uncertain, I don't give up. I refocus and I remind myself of how far I've already come and how many obstacles I've already overcome. My focus is on growth, not fear. My heart is steady, even when the path is not. My faith is stronger than my doubts. I release the need to control every outcome. Instead, I choose to show up, to prepare, and to believe that I'm supported. I'm guided, I'm capable, I'm ready for what's next. Focused faith means I don't let setbacks stop me. I let them shape me. I learn, I adjust, and I keep moving forward with intention. Now take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of the fear, the overthinking, and the need to have it all figured out today. Say this with me. My focus is clear. My heart is steady. And my faith moves me forward. One more time with conviction. My focus is clear. My heart is steady. And my faith moves me forward. Carry that with you into your week, into your studies, into your workplace, your business, your home, and every room you step into. You don't have to see the whole staircase. You just have to keep taking the next step. If these affirmations helped you see your vision with clarity and move with focus, imagine the impact when others do the same. Hit like to claim your momentum, subscribe to keep your mindset laser sharp, and share this video to help someone else turn confusion into direction. Keep your eyes clear, your goals focused, and your energy unstoppable. This is Coach Steph reminding you that when you focus and faith align, forward is the only direction. Stay clear, stay grounded, and I will see you next time as we step into a brand new theme of affirmations together.